This Korean barbecue spice blend is a perfect blend to be able to add a sweet, spicy, but also savory and umami type of flavor profile to practically anything. This is great on chicken, beef, pork, veggies, tofu, you name it. You can use this right on the finished product. You can use it as kind of like a dry rub, like a dry marinade. You can use it just as a seasoning profile. This is great for bulgogis. This is great for so many different products. It's easy to just sprinkle on so you can get just the right amount. It also has a large mouth opening as well. I like using the ones with the 3 holes so that you can control how much comes out, and able to just kind of easily toss it around so you can get it on everything. So it does add like a nice kind of orange kind of color to it, as you can see here a little closer up. Now just some of the ingredients that are in here, so you can kind of see it does have chili flakes, salt, ground rice hulls, black and white sesame seeds, tamari soy, sauce powder, and maple sugar, paprika, orange peel, and cayenne. So it does have a little bit of a spice to it. So if you're someone who is very intolerant of spice, this might not be for you, but if you can handle a little bit of spice, then this would be a great blend to try out. Highly, highly recommend it. I've got it here on some beef, and this is just a great way. I've added this at the end on product that is fully cooked already, or at the end of the cooking process. I've also put it on while meat is still raw, and it's great either way. I personally think it's better to put it on raw, cook it, and then get a nice flavor cooked into it. But it's also great to just add on to things. So you can even just put this on, but this is really great for stir fries, a lot of Asian style and of course Korean style recipes. This is really great for. Highly recommend it. It's got a really, really nice flavor profile. Seriously, try it out yourself. Thank you to the brand for providing it for me.